what if we gave you guys the opportunity to plead your case, to persuade the audience? And so today, each one of them is going to read their persuasive essay to try and convince you all for your vote, to see which one of them is most convincing and maybe surprise them with a bike. What if you had the power to decide who earns the prize? Today, the boys are taking on a challenge that's a little different. Instead of chores, games, or even schoolwork, they're each writing a persuasive essay. Their mission is simple: convince you, our viewers, that they're the one who deserves a brand new bicycle. But this isn't just about wanting a bike. Each of them has to look back at the choices they've made, talk honestly about their conduct, explain how they've grown, and share what they're doing now to show they've become more responsible. Then they have to look ahead and promise how they'll continue to earn that trust, not only by the way they behave, but by how they'll care for something they've worked so hard to receive. A bicycle is more than just a reward. Around here, it's freedom, it's responsibility, it's something that has to be respected and looked after. So after you hear all 4 essays, we want you to put yourself in our shoes. Who made the strongest case? Who showed the most growth? Who convinced you they'll appreciate the opportunity the most? There's only one winner, and this time, your vote will help decide it. May the best essay win. I'm not an expert, but I'm pretty sure that's not where the mango's supposed to go.
Yeah, it doesn't matter where mango's supposed to go, at least it goes somewhere. It doesn't matter where it's supposed to go. It still goes somewhere, right?
Did you want to save some for later?
It's still early, so now I'll save for later, I dry it.
Okay.
What do you do, water?
Just want to see the before and after. What do you call this?
There's just milk. It's just something the milk.
That's creamer, dear.
Yes, me just put in if you don't use the sugar. So when we use the first tea, we just take the color from the tea. Right, tea bitter.
How many do you want?
No, that's good. Thank you.
What do you call this?
Tea. You not even know where tea is. See that?
Yeah. Okay.
I call red rose tea.
Red rose and creamer. Yeah. Creamy red rose.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What's happened? What? Wait.
You look like the kids doing schoolwork. Like you got the Bible cracked open, your tea ready, but you're staring at your phone.
No, but let me read what the funny Bible, what the funny phone.
The Bible up on the phone?
Yes.
Oh. Go ahead.
Them now find and tell you
Oh,
what.
you lost it, huh? Okay.
You come off your phone.
Right.
Why you chat to people say you gone?
Okay. So defensive. I don't know. A little too defensive, if you ask me. But hi. You guys want breakfast? Okay. So today, supposedly, as my go-to word, supposedly, we are biting a bullet's a bad expression. Never bit a bullet in my life, but I imagine it doesn't taste great. Yeah, we are finally getting an official termite pest treatment on the house. It's been 3 years. Yeah, I remember we got it a nice termite treatment on the house that we bought in Hawaii, and had a warranty for like 5 years, and we never had an issue. But Jamaica, yeah, you don't when you live abroad and you don't know the quality of the craftsmanship, I guess you could call it, from the previous individuals hired to do the job, then you get what you get, right? So now that we're here, we've been very fortunate to come across a nice, actual, registered, reputable company. And turns out my wife actually went to school with him, the main guy, the owner of the company, way back in the day. So yes, and it's cool. Like, you can even go on the website and check it to see if the company's registered with the Jamaica Company Registry, and he is, so that's cool. But he came out yesterday, surveyed the scene, and I think we got a fair price for the property. We're gonna basically there's termites. Yeah, they do their thing, and so we're getting, well, we had a lot of the wood removed when we replaced the roof. We're getting the whole roof area sprayed down. We're getting the furniture sprayed down. We're getting the doors sprayed down. We're getting the yard sprayed down. Yeah, as you can see, ants, termites. Yeah, they're a fun bunch. But either way, oh, good morning. I think I'm gonna try let your baby out and see how it goes. Yeah, should we try that? Because you haven't spent much quality time with him lately. Be nice. We're not distracted at all. Yeah, that's your baby behind you, and you're not paying him much attention, or her. I'm assuming it's a her at this point. The brown one. Explain that one, huh? Grandma, be nice to the baby. Grandma, you gonna be nice? I hope. No, we're gonna, okay. We're established. Okay, yeah, be nice. Yeah, Mom, you gonna let Grandma treat him like that? All right, we're gonna try this out and see how it goes. Okay. I've been wondering where you were laying eggs, but I'll check there in a little bit. Listen, calm down, man. You should go inside. Go lay your egg inside, man. You want some help? Hi. All right, I'll give you the sneak door. Look. You should go in there and lay your egg, man. Look, you got this. Okay, yeah, go in there and do it. Okay. Okay, you're welcome. Yeah, okay. No, don't. You're so stubborn. All right, family reunion. Everybody's at the dinner table. Mom, Grandma, cool, great. Everybody, we're gonna figure this out. Wait, protect your mom. Mom, I'm disappointed. That's your baby. You can't let Grandma teach him like that, man. Oh, you're afraid of Grandma too. Oh boy. All right, enough of the chicken drama. We'll check in and see how they do, as long as Brownie stays away. Mm-hmm. Yeah, he's ready for breakfast. Anyway, yeah, so we're gonna hopefully get the termite treatment today. And special treat, speaking of treatments, the boys yesterday, now just hear me out. The boys yesterday, well, so previously they've been working on nonfiction writing. Then they did a little fiction writing with their superpowers. And then yesterday they worked on a persuasive essay. And I had to explain to them what a persuasive essay was. Their job was to try and write a convincing argument on why they deserved a bike. We did bikes a few years ago. They ride hard, yeah, which, cool, okay. And we're at that point. Thank you. Right now, determining like how best to utilize YouTube funds. And it has been probably over a year since they've had a bicycle. And so I challenged them. I said, you know, I've got a little bit of funds lying around. What if we gave you guys the opportunity to plead your case, to persuade the audience? And so today, each one of them is going to read their persuasive essay to try and convince you all for your vote, to see which one of them is most convincing, and maybe surprise them with a bike. I think we might do that. We're at that point where the kids are feeling the peer pressure of getting their work done, which they're doing a great job at, the four of them anyway. And we're up in the ante a little bit. We're going to see, well, how motivated are you when there's an actual tangible object at the end of the rainbow? So we'll see. Stay tuned. Each one of them are going to read their persuasive essay and then cast your vote and let us know which one was most convincing to you. So whoever gets the most votes might get a bike. Seems simple enough. All right, this is getting weird. Mom, that's your kid, Mom. Be nice. Remember that's your... Okay. Dad. Everybody's trying to figure out... Okay. We're doing great. We're gonna figure this. There's a metaphor in here somewhere. All right, I'm a little disappointed with Mom. Yeah. So we're gonna go back in and keep you separate. You got to get a little bigger. Okay. I'm talking to chickens again. Okay. Yeah. Well, we're enjoying the last of the apples. Only a few left, but we'll be all right. We'll be all right. No sign of the termite guy yet. No, 7:30. Was the original call time, and it's 7:50. Jamaica time, hopefully. All right, I found you. Yep. Breakfast is served, man. Dave, you gotta put that up higher. Wind it back up. There you go.
So I'm going to read my essay. I hope you like it. I think I should get a bike because my report is the best report of all of them, and I think I should get it because they go impact on and break them. And I will not break the bike tire. And I am not going to make anyone touch my bike. And if I get a bike, I will take care of it and take good control of it. And I am not making rain fall down on my bike to make it get rusty. And I am not making no one feel it or making no one touch it. And if it break, I will take care. I will fix it again. And I am not going to burst the tube on the tire. And I'm not going to take the bike wheels off. And I will be so happy because I have to see a bike, and I want to ride a bike in my future. That is my story.
Oh, it's almost like a rite of passage. Like visitors come and somehow leave the gate open, getting their stuff ready, and Emma's like, "Bye." So Dave's gone off to go help. All right. Junior's got a summer class. All right, we're gonna spray for termites. It's gonna be interesting after Dave helps find the dog. Good job, Dave. Your cheese sandwich is ready. Brownie out there too?
No.
Oh, okay.
Good morning, YouTuber. So today I'm gonna read a convincing essay about getting a bike. So my title is Wanted a Bike. I think I should get a bike. First up, the reason why I should get a bike is because I have done all of my schoolwork, take care of the chicken, and doing my work at home. Also, I have been helping out, and we helping out the kids at home, and I share with them, and we play together. And if they get homework, I also help them with that. Secondly, if I'm getting a bike, I would like a mountain bike because it is big and it can bring me anywhere I want to go. Things I like about the mountain bike: it can change gear, it is very fast, and it is high. Finally, I would like you people to choose me because I am a kind boy and I love to share with people and love to play with them. And I do get the bike, and if I do get the bike, I will take care of it and I would wash it and put it up at night time. Thank you for listening to my bike story, and thank you, and hope you guys have a wonderful day.
says divide, Dave.
Divide me.
17 divided
The
by
3
5.
is your whole number, while the remainder becomes the numerator.
Huh?
So your numerator stay the same until you have your mixed number. So you get this.
25 divided by 3. Go up here and put 25 divided by 3. Long division. Okay. How many times? No. Okay. How many?
3 to 25 go. Seven times?
8.
8 times.
8.
Put on the 8.
What's 3 times 8? No, 8 goes on the line, bro. Wow. Dave, we've done long division so many times.
Mistake.
It is a mistake.
More move for
Well, stop moving fast and move correctly.
3, 8. 20. 2.
24.
24. 24. That's back 1.
That's back 1. So, that's how you get the mixed number. You were able to put 3 into 25 8 times, and then you leave back 1, and you write that over what you're divided by, over 3. Yeah. It's going to be great.
I want a bicycle because I want to ride and learn to wheel it. I'm going to take care of it by washing it. I will not crash it when I'm riding. I will not burst the tire. Don't pop off the chain. I will help working by helping plant plants, making smoothies, help feed chickens, giving water, killing chickens, help pick in apples, help picking bananas, help pick plums, help feeding dogs, help shopping, help making stuff, help cleaning, help cooking, help cleaning up, help cooking, help washing plates, help painting, be helpful, and for help raking yard, doing my work like math, help march with his ABC and 1, 2, 3, be respectful. That is the end of my story. Location
Of 1/3. So, if this is 0, that's 1. We broke it up into 3 pieces. What is this line?
1, 3.
1/3, right in.
You get the pen here.
What's this one?
2/3.
Right. What's the last one?
3/3.
Okay. Now, which fraction are you supposed to mark?
This.
You're supposed to write 1. Where's 1/3?
Right this.
So put a dot.
Here.
No, right on 1/3 on the line. No, man. Draw a big, nice dot on the line, as big as the one that I made. So that is where 1/3 is between 0 and 1. Okay, next one.
So,
Oh, there's 2 6.
Finished.
Nice. Good job. Now you can help Mario.
so 15. So
That was a
15
joke.
and 5. So 5 up.
I know, right?
So 5 up top of 15 down so.
Mario,
5
you're
up
dividing
top.
by 3, right?
5 up top.
Okay. What's 3 5?
3 5. I know you book this. You book it.
Mario, focus, Mario.
No, my books.
What is 3 5, Mario?
15.
Great. So put it down and subtract.
But say 15.
But you're not doing it. You're just talking. You need to write it. How much does that leave?
Left back.
Mm-hmm.
So you got a simple question. So how when I write everything has to be 0.
Because you've already exhausted that one. You don't even have to write the 0, Mario. One takeaway one is 0, but that 0 doesn't have any value because it's not worth anything in the tens place value.
Yeah.
So just write 2. You don't have to write the 0. If it means...
So this one here.
What are you writing today, Andre?
Over me for right too.
You already know. You already know. I can. How are you so blind? There you go. Right there. You know.
Oh, you see that?
Because I have glasses. I can see through paper. Yes. I know. Crazy. You know what the writing prompt is today?
What?
Are you sure you're ready for this?
Yep.
Okay. Because of Dave, we are going back to nonfiction. Nonfiction means you guys are making up a story. In today's story, you start on the beach and a bottle washes up on shore with a note inside. And you guys will tell a story. What happens after that? In a bottle.
But B
In.
O
T L E. Message in a bottle, Andre. All right, sir. Time to show him your superpower. Are you ready? On 3. Are you gonna count to 3 or am I?
U
1, 2, 3. That didn't work. Yeah, let's try again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Andre, where'd you go?
Good morning, YouTuber. So, I am just coming back from school, summer class, and I do some maths, like triangles and rectangles, and I do social study and civic. And today is our last day, and next week we are not going back to school. And we play a lot today. We just do 2 work and then we finish and then we go play and then we have fun. So today was a good day for me, and if it is a good day for you, comment it below and I will be impressed. And remember, you should name who essay is the most more proficient Okay, so bye. See you tonight.
What do you get when the wife says she's ready and everybody else is saying they're ready? You get to exercise patience and deep breaths. Hi.
Hey, I'm in this car.
We're getting ready. Chicks are ready, so we got to be ready. Chick coop is ready?
Yep.
Yep. Let me know when you're ready to listen. Anybody ready to listen yet? We need. Here's I'm sorry. Let me know.
Be quiet.
Ready.
Quiet on the net.
Ready. Baby chickens.
Hi. We need baby chicks.
Yeah.
A half bag of layer feed. A full bag of broiler crumble. 4 dozen 1.5 inch drywall screws. And 16-foot 1x3 lot cut in half.
Cut it off a board.
Say Lord, can't carry none of
A
this?
trash box.
If it's cut in half.
A trash box.
And maybe a patty.
Yes.
No, we're not getting no trash bag. We need bread.
And bread.
Bread and what?
And a life. And a life. You think they'll have a life?
No,
More rice?
Why?
You got enough rice?
Yeah, me have rice. Me want laundry soap.
And a laundry soap, because
Laundry.
sharing is caring. Alright, we're ready. Why do you think we need to stop at the Fenji Home Center? Fenji?
To buy a book.
Nope.
Reading book.
Nope.
I don't get a buy a screw then.
Probably not.
The bicycle.
No. All guesses gone?
A 2-inch board. No, a 2-inch board set up a
Somebody mash up my can opener.
can open.
And I've got some cans of tuna that I can't open.
Use
No,
knife out meat.
No, I don't need to dull up my knife to open it. I would like a can opener. You know what a can opener is for?
Yes.
What?
Open gun.
It's opening cans. What's a knife for?
Peeling and cutting stuff.
Oh, if knives are not called can openers. If the knives were can openers, they'd be called can openers. But they're called knives. And what letter does knife start with, Andre?
F.
Hey.
K. Wow.
On
Wow. All
Only
right,
on
we're
Marie.
ready.
These are
This is
different.
different than this one. But that's cheaper. That's only $5.20, and this one's $7.80.
That is like a central fee.
That's the can opener.
I want that gear one.
Ready. Road. Bye.
Video.
All right. Listen carefully, gentlemen and lady. According to Chinese legend, this is a heavy-duty, high-quality, polished steel head, including handy built bottle opener, durable easy turn knob, and brushed stainless steel inlays. Dishwasher safe.
We're not on a dishwasher. Use your
Yeah,
hands.
it's safe for you. Don't worry. That was a dishwasher joke. And it's hot in here. So, gentlemen, don't touch my can opener. Got it?
Yes.
sir.
Not intended for children under 17.
You know, say
I
that's
just
fine.
waited that.
And the 18 grip.
Comfort design handle. Products are warranted to be free from defects in material and workmanship. It's warranted. Ooh,
Like, they never
it's
get
shiny.
warranty on it.
I know, it's 100%, whatever that means. Alright, can opener done. Next up. I don't know where what's the next stop? Oh, Toolstead.
Skymar.
Yeah, Skymar, here we go. 25 baby chicks. 1 full bag of broiler crumble and a half bag of layer. Somebody need to earn their keep. Someone figure it out. Can someone repeat back the order for me so I know?
money.
Oh yeah. What? 25 baby chicks.
You check them PF already.
Chicks are paid for. Half bag.
John.
You might need more. Let me know if you need more. That's 8. Half bag of Dave. What are we getting?
Half bag of Aliyah.
A full bag of what?
Full bag of wine.
Broiler what?
All these pokes.
Nobody's gonna go with him. That's impressive.
Broiler crumble. What is that, JJ?
But we'll figure it out.
Can't kill them.
Not yet, Dave. You gotta wait 6 weeks. They won't be as cute. What's up, guys? Ready? Okay.
Take it really well for you.
Alright, we gotta go. You need to get some water. Everybody in? Shut the door. Come, Junior, seriously? You know, I told you not to eat that in the car. That's why you're, yeah. Junior, shut the door, Junior. We're gonna have a competition. Who's the biggest baby around here? They're so cute. You want them, guys? I'll be fine. I'll be out. Alright, water is in. Let's see if this will keep the shavings out. Wait, let's go over there in the shade. You can step over. Alright. Yeah, let's put it over on the shady side. I don't know why Sonia didn't fill it up, but that's okay. Andre, how are they supposed to get on the far side? Okay. Andre, we'll just turn it so they can go on both sides of it. That way they can eat on either side. Cool. We're getting there.
Wanna eat already?
I know. As soon as one finds it, they're all like, "What's going on over there?" Right? All right, you gonna start naming them? I'm kidding.
Alright.
I'm just joking, Andre. Wait. Going in.
Sit in.
Andre, really? All right, I think we're good. All right. All right. Let there be food. There was food. Cool. I think we're good. Chickens. 6 weeks. Enjoy.
The YouTuber. So yesterday I read something about the bicycle thing that we would convince YouTubers or Tyler to buy us a bicycle. I want a bicycle. So the reason why I choose a bicycle is because when I need to buy something, I can ride it and go and get it. And when Tyler and Sonia need something to buy too, we can go and ride and get them for them. And because the last time I got a bicycle, the first day I got it, the chain fall off and me and Andre and Dave and Junior can ride up and down. And when I got my bicycle, I will take good care of it and I will do anything to get that bicycle, because sometimes the place is boring and we don't have anything to do. The bicycle, we can have a lot of fun with it. why I deserve a bicycle, because I did all of my work that Tyler gave to me and Dave and Junior. That is the reason why I want a bike. I will behave myself and listen to my parents and Sonia and Tyler. So that is the end of my bike story. So have a nice day, YouTubers. Bye-bye.
Happened? Yeah. So how far did you run?
1.22 miles.
Yeah, almost a mile and a quarter. You got caught up in turbo. Looks like you're the turbo now, bro. Nice. I don't know where you went. You're gone. I can't see you. I don't know. I hear you. Where are you? You better snap your fingers and show me again, because... Oh, Andre? Oh, hey. Welcome back. Bye. How'd it go, guys?
What?
I heard. Why? Why? No idea? Well...
He jump up on me.
Oh.
And jump up on me and really bite off one of your son.
If we can't handle walking a dog, look at how cute he is. He would never do anything like that.
Junior.
Oh yeah, Junior. Actually, Honest Junior. That's what we call him.
I asked him.
Okay. Well.
Dog jump up on the square, but he's nearly biting.
Guess why?
Why?
Because Emma tell him to come.
Oh, he didn't want to listen, huh?
Look.
Man, that seems awfully familiar, doesn't it?
Put it.
Okay. Brownie, I know, you're just thirsty. It's okay. Kids all got their miles in. I'm used to bangs. Forgive me. I gotta watch the documentary The Crash on Netflix. Why not? And now would be a good time for you to vote. All of the boys have completed their written case, the persuasive essays. So feel free to pause this video while we, get our exercise in and cast your vote for which one you think did the best persuading to get a bike. And I'm gonna get a treadmill. So Thanks for voting.
Is that I said I found it in the ocean. It said, "Oh, are you?" It just washed up on the shore. I go home and
You went home, Junior.
went home and think about it. Finish.
THOUGHT.
THOUGHT.
U GHT. A man said it was his. What had the man? Was he sitting? Was he surfing? Was he swimming? Was he walking by? How did he find the man?
Walking by.
Okay, a man was walking by and said it was his. Capital A. So before he asks him to go fishing, does he not say like, "Hi"? Or does he have a name? Does he introduce himself? Or just some random dude walks up to him and is like, "Hey, want to go fishing with me?"
No.
That's what you said. If some dude walked up to you at the beach and was like, "Hey, you want to go fishing?" Didn't even introduce himself. You didn't know who he was. Maybe you found a bottle with a note in it and that's what it said. And then he said that. Wouldn't it be kind of like, that's strange?
And you surfing?
What? It's yes, the guy put Andre, this dude may not be all there upstairs, man. You know what that means? He put a message in a bottle, threw it in the ocean. You went up, like, there you were, having a good time, you know, mind your own ocean business, and pick up a bottle with a note in it. And the guy walks up to you, he's like, "Want to go fishing?"
No.
What? Hey, that's my note. And then what?
I said, "Do you want to go fishing?"
Is he going to tell him his name? Is he going to say him?
He said, "Do you want to go fishing? My name is..."
My name? Cal?
No, Roy.
Roy? All right. Let's write it. Hi. Another nail biter. Another 9 o'clock nail biter. But we got it done. Whew. Stories were written about the bottles being found on the ocean with notes in them. Kids read their bike persuasive essays. Hopefully you had a chance to vote just which one you thought was the most persuading. And if not, you're welcome to do it now. It's not too late. You can still do it. Andre. Pinocchio's story is not the Disney version. I'll keep saying it. Like no spoilers, but in the story, Pinocchio literally bit off the paw of a cat. He bit off the cat's paw. Right? Children's stories. Anyway, we're gonna go again. Andre's gonna tell you goodnight. It's time. It's time to throw in the towel or the pillow. What?
Good night.
Good night, Andre. Nice. Good night, Andre.
Good night.
Good night, Mario. Latch, close the gate. Bye.